مساء الخير، مساء الخير. كيفكم؟ إن شاء الله بخير. Happy Thursday. Happy well, I guess I started speaking Arabic. I almost forgot. Well, I've been doing Arabic and English videos, so I am really confused. Now, it's an English content right now. So, okay. Switch language. I'm so sorry. You probably guys know if you're watching me on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Well, YouTube, I have two separate channels, one for Arabic, one for English. But if you're watching me on Facebook, you probably have seen both because I put these videos, I go live on Facebook on the same page for my personal page. So for both Arabic and English. So, okay, switching language, switching language, English. All right. So what if I am not ready to file my taxes yet? You guys probably know already, if you have done an extension, you almost have to do your taxes right now. You cannot wait to do your taxes. You have to do it right now. So if you, for your business, it might be actually September 15th. So within 15 days, you have to submit your taxes. If it's for your personal or LLC or C corporation, that is on October 16 for this year. So if you're new here, my name is Noura Al-Masri. I'm an enrolled agent and the founder of Noura's Books. I am known as the nonprofit CFO. I do help the nonprofit organizations scale to move to 7 figures and also help businesses to increase their cash flow and get in compliance. I am actually, I help also people like to do their personal taxes, to do their business taxes, and to do their nonprofit taxes. Now, well, all right. So, guys, bear with me today. I'm all over the place, but I promise you we'll get there. I promise you we'll get there. Anyway. So what do you do if you are not ready to file your taxes? You were not ready in Q1 in March, April to file your taxes. That's when you did an extension or had your tax professional do the extension. That gave you 6 months, right? So unfortunately, this is the only time you could do an extension. And if you are doing your personal taxes or C Corp or any taxes that you might owe taxes on, not just informational tax return, you should be aware that when you make an extension, it's an extension to file, not an extension to pay. And that is really, really important. That's key. So again, it's an extension to file, not an extension to pay. What's the difference? IRS do not want to wait on you to file to pay them your portion of tax return of taxes. They want to get their payment right away. The extension is for you to file. So that's all. So if you suspect that you will owe taxes, hopefully you paid taxes before by April 15 of 2023 or whatever year that you are filing or you are watching this video on. Now, what if you could not file after 6 months? Now, the due date, like we said, like September 15, October 17, and November 15 for a different type of entity and for your personal. So if you're not ready yet, I would ask you, why are you not ready? Why are you not ready? Is it because you are so busy you don't have time to think about taxes? Is it because you probably have to do bookkeeping to do an accurate return? Is it because you don't have a tax professional probably, or you did not find someone who can work with you? And and maybe in the same place, maybe they do not have an experience with what you want to do. Is it because any of these reasons? If yes, sorry, Instagram, I'm getting a phone call, but uh-oh, Instagram, here we go, I'm back, I'm sorry. All right, so what is really the reason? So in order to make sure you are in compliance, you want first, like, okay, set your priority right. So if you are not doing this because you are busy, if you're not ready because you're busy, um, maybe you have your priority over the place. I understand there's a lot of important things that you worry about, but this is staying in compliance. There is a consequences or multiple consequences you could face if you do not file your tax return. It depends on what type of entity you have, or if it's your personal taxes, there would be a monthly penalty for not filing. If you have a requirement to file, there is an interest you might have to pay if you do not actually file. There's also, you could lose opportunities just because you did not file. And what I mean with that, remember, if you were in business during COVID, you saw that a lot of people were not ready to get the PPP loan and other opportunities. Why? Because they were not ready. They did not have their books done. They did not file their taxes. So now when the opportunity came that they did not know about before, what happened is they were not ready. They had to go run, do bookkeeping. They had to go run and do tax returns. For some of them, it might be so late. Tax professionals and accountants were so busy working on what they have. So a lot of people lost opportunity just because they did not have things ready. Now you tell me that we don't have COVID. We don't know what we'll have. We don't know. Maybe you need some cash flow and you need to get a loan. Maybe there's a grant opportunity for your nonprofit or business, but you're still not ready because you did not have bookkeeping, or you did not have what else? Taxes are done. So you're not in compliance. So there's a lot to lose if you don't really do your tax return, if you do not really do your tax return on time. So while you can do an extension, it's better to have it done on time, because that means you're on top of your business. Probably you are winning more because you're giving yourself an opportunity to win, because you know your numbers. You don't postpone what you have to do. And I'm not saying that thinking like, okay, I'm always on top of things. I'm trying to be, but we all trying somehow. We need to actually learn to be on top of things as much as possible to make sure we get into what we need to get, where we need to get. We are ready for opportunities. We are in compliance. We don't face penalty, interest, and more things. Now, this is all I have to share for today. I don't want to take much of your time. I'll see you tomorrow for another live. For now, I want you to make sure you get ready if you are not ready. I don't know what happened to Instagram. So, all right. I just froze on Instagram. Anyway, so I want you to make sure you connect with your accountant. If you do not have an accountant, then that's fine. You can look for one. If you do not know anyone, you definitely can connect with me. I'll be happy to help you. You can book a free call with me at nourazbooks.com/contacts. Make sure to book as soon as possible, because of Labor Day, it's going to be very tough to get in if you don't book as soon as possible, because deadlines coming soon. So if you're an S corp, partnership, and multi-member LLC, your deadline is September 15. Now, if you are not ready, if you couldn't do it, you can still file at any time as long as the e-filing is still open. However, you will be expecting to pay payment. So if you are not ready, make sure to budget to pay penalties. So like I said before in a previous video, like if you have more than one partner in your business, then the penalty would be actually increasing more because each partner, they have to pay the same penalty. So you want to make sure to budget for that if there's no way that you can get ready by then. And don't go contact your tax professional on September 15 expecting that your taxes are getting to be filed on time, because it's almost impossible. Most of the time, people come with tax professional with comes with backup that is not complete. We often ask them to provide so many documents that they are not ready to provide, and that will delay things. We will also be busy with the current clients who came in advance, so it will be very hard to get you in if you come into the last couple of days. So you want to make sure to actually connect with your tax professional ASAP, meaning right now. So if you need help, like I said, you don't have someone to help you, feel free to book a call with me. You can go to my website, nourisbooks.com/contact, and I'll be happy to help you along with my team. Other than that, I will see you tomorrow with another topic. If you have any question, feel free um, to put your question down below, wherever platform you are watching from, and I will be happy to answer your questions. Now, if you are getting benefit from these videos, please make sure to follow me, subscribe to YouTube, and comment, like, whatever you can do, so more people can see and hear this information, so more people can be ready and get successful business organizations and personal goals. All right, have a great day and great evening, night, wherever. See you tomorrow. Bye.